What's up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. We are all packed up in the RV and we are headed to Vandalia, Missouri to the Homestead Life Conference Spring Festival. I'm pretty sure we packed our entire house again and more. Yep. The kids are all settled in back there napping. And we're on the road for about 2.5 more hours.
We brought 2 new heathens along
Oh,
this
yes.
trip.
So we have the boys back there, and we have our granddaughter Shashar, and we have Sissy sleeping. Oh, there she is. So we brought them along with us for this trip. It is Maddie's first time going to the Homestead Conference, so she's excited. We got lots to do. We're going to help set up all day tomorrow. We're going to get our canopy and little vendor booth set up as well. So we will just take you guys along for the ride. It should be interesting and fun. I'm excited to meet all the new people this year. They're supposed to have 3 times as more people as they usually do at their other conference. And so we're going to have a lot going on.
Can't wait to see you all.
Okay. We will probably video setting up the canopy and our little booth. Did bring everything. Our kits, our knives, our seeds, my new book, Little Bros Micros, and I will be speaking both days on Microgreens. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you ready to be there?
Yeah.
We're literally just napping, I thought.
Kind of, yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
What are you most excited about?
Seeing the Murphys.
Seeing the Murphys?
Seeing the Murphys.
Charlotte. Are you excited? What are you excited about?
Exciting.
About what?
Excited to go on that trip.
Me too. I'm glad you're with us. Are we gonna have fun?
How can we do that?
She's like, stop talking to me. Sissy, why are you so excited?
Alright guys, we're heading to the conference. Hopefully we see you guys there. This is my niece Charlotte. You say hi?
Hi.
Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
How excited? Like a lot? Yeah?
You're going to see a lot of people this weekend, Char?
Mm-hmm.
How many people do you think we're going to see?
Like this.
Like that much?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Uh-huh.
Say bye.
Why?
A lot?
Yeah.
How much? Show me again. That's a lot.
Guys, it's Thursday morning. We are coming to you from Vandalia, Missouri campgrounds. And it's raining.
It has been raining all night and all morning. It is a soggy mess, so...
But everything's going to be fine. It's going to be great.
It is. Just bring your rain boots.
We're supposed to be setting up today, so we're just
Kind of
waiting
hanging out.
for the rain to
Die down.
quit, but I don't think it's going to happen.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain for another few hours anyway today. So, but it's supposed to be beautiful weather Friday and Saturday. If you're coming to the Homesteading Life Conference, Mal will be giving a presentation each day. She will also be unveiling her new book and course on how to start your own microgreen business wherever you live. So come by the tent, check it out. We'll have the books, we'll have grow kits, seeds, harvest knife, got
All the things.
some hats.
If you can't make it to the Homesteading Life Conference and you're interested in starting your own microgreens business, send us a message. We would love to send you a book.
Is it on the website yet?
Nope.
It'll be on the website when we get back home from the conference.
But if you don't see it, just email me. barefootmicrogreens@gmail.com.
you've never been to Ayers Pottery in Hannibal, Missouri,
You have to go.
you have to go. You have to come. Come in and shop with us.
Oh my gosh, Maddie, look at this cat. I forgot about the cat.
Hi, big old kitty. Hi. Yeah, what about it? Tell me about it. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, them are cool.
Oh, I like these, Corey.
Hey y'all, we just got into Hannibal. We had to come down here and pick up some food for all the people that are helping out at the Homesteading Life Conference. And we brought our daughter Madeline. She hasn't been to Hannibal before. We just went to Ayers Pottery, check that out. Now we're at the lighthouse. How many steps is this, Mal? Like 1,000? It's way up here. That's the Mississippi River off in the distance. So, good view when we get to the top of the hill. It's a hike. Ready to run up this hill?
Yeah, that one's the race.
I'm out. I'll video it.
Keep up.
I'll zoom in. All right, I'll turn it back on when we get to the top. All right, we're halfway up. How do you feel? Mama?
I can do it 20 times. Yeah.
Last flight of stairs, let's go.
She's gonna be the champion.
Oh, my legs are on fire. Woo! Do the Rocky Balboa thing. Dun 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 dun. Woo, I'm wiped out.
Beautiful.
Man,
144 steps.
that's it.
No way, it's long.
Seems a lot more than that. That's downtown Hannibal. It is. If you are anywhere near Hannibal and just passing through, it's worth the stop.
Okay guys, we're setting up the chairs under the tents. It was just a downpour, as you can tell, for like hours.
Look at my
Gavin's
feet.
Drenched.
Look at it.
All the feet. Good times.
Well, Tia,
Did you just take a shower? All right, we almost have all the chairs in one tent. We have
That's
another tent to
all
go.
the white chairs.
Huh?
That's all the white chairs.
That's all the white chairs?
Yep.
Okay. Yes.
When people are gonna sit down in these chairs, they're gonna sink.
They're gonna sink. Everybody's gonna be grounding tomorrow. It's gonna be just fine. So the rain has moved on for now. Hopefully.
So the sun is out.
Yeah, the sun is out. Shining. Good times. Good times. I can shake it like my arms are shaking.
The jams are making it good.
Yeah, it is. I'm glad you turned the music on. I'll be in tent 3 speaking both days. Good stuff.
The hardworking crew.
Yeah. We wouldn't want to be here with anybody else. Woo, Tia! Char needed a break.
How you feeling? You like the mud? Charlotte Malia.
I don't like it. All right, I think we're moving this way.
Charlie, you come with us that way? Show them your feet. It's insane. It's insane.